To enable and to use Nowbar on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, let's open settings on our device. We can then navigate into lock screen and AOD and select Nowbar. Now inside you'll be able to enable it for certain apps, and also it will be enabled for some of the apps and you won't be able to change those. So in this case we have Maps, Perplexity, Samsung Health and Samsung Wallet. That is always enabled for it. I've also enabled voice recorder to showcase that option for you. So how it works is basically it allows you to get notifications in your lock screen in the Nowbar that is always visible on the bottom side of the screen, and those notifications are also interactable. That means you'll be able to click on them to interact with them depending on the specific app. Then there's Now Brief, which will show you a quick brief of notifications based on your personal interests, and the phone should learn about this pattern, and then you will see that brief of notifications on the bottom in the Nowbar. Then there's a current mode that you can enable or disable, which will showcase it. Do not disturb mode also, and flashlight also. Now let's lock my device just to show you the Nowbar. As you can see, it's right here. In this case, I have voice recording currently going on, and that's how we can interact with it. We can simply click on it to turn it on and off. Then you can swipe on it to check all of the Nowbar notifications from apps. If you had any, then you'll be able to preview them depending on which options you've enabled. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.